everyone, I want to talk to you about the importance of outlines for college research paper writing, which might be very different than the way you might be accustomed to writing papers off the top of your head. So the trouble with that is that the way that we think is circular. And that's why we might return to a topic and add more information in our minds about it, and then we might return to it again and then return to it again. And so when you're writing off the top of your head, you wind up repeating the same thing 2 or 3 times, and it starts sounding very redundant. The brain does not think in these linear ordered structures all the time, and it certainly isn't going to memorize all of these quotes you have to integrate into your paper. So by having it plotted down in an outline, it's much easier to write the paper. So for instance, when we're looking here at this particular essay, and it's not one that I offer, so you can't borrow from what I write, but children with PTSD from trauma, okay? And certainly think about this for your own profession, because you might encounter children who are traumatized, and kind of think about, what that does to them. So this is about, car accidents, domestic violence, drug addicted parents, horrible things, unfortunately. And this paper is about, how they get it and what it is when they get it. So if we look at this, notice that I have a point that I want to make, and I have my data to prove it, and it is documented and documented properly. And it's much easier to document when you're literally copying and pasting information from a website and then immediately citing it. So you don't have to go back and try to remember where you got the information from. It's all right there. And then you have a summary statement that summarizes the point that you're making. And it's a complete sentence. And you're going to do the same thing for the next point. It's a complete sentence. And the colors here are just showing you how they are matching the order that you're finding it in the main, the introductory paragraph. I even have the thesis statement written out, which may change. But the point is that this outline is already set up with your data proving each of the points and cited properly. And then you have all of the layers of your introductory and conclusion paragraphs. And I'm going to show you later on why this outline lends itself best for creating drafts. Also, please note, no Roman numerals, no bullets, no 1s and 2s, nothing indented. Please, please, please just copy and paste the template that you have. Delete my words, insert your words, and don't mess with it. And that's because it lends itself best for creating drafts. If you put in Roman numerals and bullet points and all this stuff, it's going to have to get deleted when you make this into a draft. So why put it in to begin with? It's just going to waste time. So follow the outline template, plot your data down, definitely cite your quotes, and then we'll go from there.